Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, market is open. And looking to potentially play some calls here on SPX options. If you do hear me typing, that's just me making alerts in my private trading community. So I will pause for now, but that's what I'm currently looking at here. I do trade stocks too, but right now just looking at some options. So I will pause the software for now, and I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 20 here. Well, that was the move I was originally looking for, so let's go up to 19 now. Or excuse me, down to 19. So we'll see if this wants to come up a bit more. Okay, needs to come up a bit more. Oh, come on. Nope, see how it's coming right now? All right, well, I might go to a different strike price now. So different strike price. All right, I'll pause. Okay, looking to try to pick up. Put here at 18. Okay, well. Oh, wow, Tesla. Pull up Tesla's chart real quick just so you can see. Looking like Tesla wanted to come back down, then all of a sudden that fast. Straight up it goes. I'm going to keep an eye on the SPX options though. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try to pick up one here at 17. Perhaps I was too late. As it comes back down, we'll see if it wants to come back up. Okay, there we go. So just picked up single contract there. And I'm not going to make a bunch on it, not going to lose a bunch on it either. Just a contract, try to get my feet wet here a little bit. So it took off $30 because I think my internet might be having issues again. As I watched that, I think it seemed a little glitchy. So I'm going to do a little test here. No, that showed up fast down there. So I'm trading a little paranoid because yesterday I did not have any trades at all because of internet issues. And internet seems to be working fine now, but there was a moment there where it looked like things almost kind of chilled out for a second. So I'm going to do another top 15. Nope, that showed up fast. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will pause for now. And I do have a backup type internet thing that I can use just in case I get stuck in a trade and this craps out on me, but I'll pause for now. All right, going to try to pick up. That might have been too slow on the move. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out. Okay, never mind. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at 17. Oh, I want it to come up a bit more. See if it wants to get back up there. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 16.50, and I was for a second on the best bid. We'll see if it wants to go back up. But as of now, yeah, that was a quick jump up, and it put me on the best bid, but I never got filled at 16.50. All right, never mind. Okay, I have an order at 19 here to try to play this pullback. I'm going to change it to 18. It looks like that is more of an accurate area. But we'll see what this candle wants to do here. Getting some good action here, so that's encouraging. I will go ahead and pause for now. Looking to maybe play a put here if it wants to back test this general area up here. We're getting close. So yeah, I like 21. Let me, yeah, 21. That looks like it could be a good entry point. If it wants to come up a bit more. Always a bit of a guessing game in terms of where's the contract price going to be at. It needs to push up just a bit more. There we go. So filled at 21. So I need to get out there. Went a bit too far against me, so it is what it is. And it still could turn out to be a winning trade, but per what I'm looking to do, I had to admit, yeah, that thing popped up a bit too much. So in terms of when it came back, I wanted to just keep the loss small. That way, if it turned around, okay, at least I kept the loss small rather than realizing a full-size loss. Now, of course, the risk which doing what I did is not having to do it, right? I didn't actually need to do that because it would have been fine. I would have had a winning trade. Everything would have been perfectly okay. But, you know, if you've ever been there before where you kind of look back at a trade and say, you know, if I would have just taken the loss at that moment, I would have had a much smaller loss than what the loss actually was. But yes, the flip side of that coin is, wow, why did I take the loss there? Because had I not taken the loss there, it would have actually been a green trade. And that's just the nature of the markets. So yes, I get it, but all I say is, all I always remind you of is, you know, sometimes that's hindsight, right? So yes, but there's been plenty of situations, and if you traded long enough, then you know exactly what sort of thought process I'm talking about, where you play the game with yourself as, had I just taken the loss at that moment, wow. And your conclusion is, my loss that I now have would have been so much smaller. Now, is that a holy grail way to go about it? Of course not. There are no holy grails, and you saw that here because you just saw the exact opposite of that, you know, being an issue where, yeah, I didn't need to. Now, do I potentially try again? Maybe. Maybe if this thing wants to come back up, I could see myself maybe trying again. But, you know, at the end of the day, I'm down $20 right now. So I think I'll be okay within the big picture of things. You know, I'm grateful for every dollar I have, so don't get me wrong. I'm not just saying that money doesn't matter. I'm just saying that from a broader picture point of view, that $20, and if you've seen, you know, past videos, then, you know, $20 is yes, it's money. Yes, I respect money, but it's not like it's a do or die type amount. Well, that was just a crazy move. Look at the 5-minute here on SPY. Came down all the way back up. I thought, you know, as it came back up, it'd eventually at least start to come down a little bit, but as of now, that does not really seem to be the case. So that move down there was apparently just a fake move because there is no follow through right there. All right, I'm pretty close to, I think, being done for the day, but I'm going to give myself maybe a little while longer to see if I can find one more potential trade. But as of now, I'm certainly not going to force anything. And if I have to take a $20 loss, then so be it. Okay, I want to capture this. Look at this. No movement. My internet issues are here. In fact, I might get disconnected right now. See that? Oh, yeah. All right, well, I definitely need to be done now because you just saw that pause. So my internet, I don't know, it hasn't kicked me off of Lightspeed yet, which is my broker, but that was a very obvious sign that things are not operating as it should. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good before I get into a trade and then the internet completely cuts out and then I have a potentially much bigger problem on my hands. So yeah, internet issues. I'm not going to say trade issues. I just really didn't get anything, and it is what it is. So yeah, I guess sometimes you just got to survive, and if surviving means taking $20 hits, well, with commissions, let's call it $25-ish, then so be it. I will take it. But yeah, sometimes this is how it goes. But at the end of the day, like I said, that pause on the internet, hopefully on Wednesday, people can Spectrum, Charter, whatever they're called. I think they changed your name, but hopefully they can get things figured out. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, if you enjoy the transparency, do I really want to post it to YouTube? Not really, because not a whole lot happened, and it opens, gives the trolls plenty of ammo, but it is what it is. This is just the reality of trading sometimes. See, look, it's paused. See? The numbers over here, nothing's moving. Nothing's moving. Candle's not moving. So let's see. And then just like, so yeah, another... And it's happening more and more often, so I think whatever the issue is with my internet, it's starting to pick back up again. So that's all I have for you. Like I said, hit the like button, leave a comment below if you appreciate the transparency. If you enjoy these live trade videos, take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.